Now that we've taken care of everything on Orion Tools, we can move over to Raydium and create our market. This is the first step in creating your liquidity pool, making your token tradable. I'll also have all the links to these pages in the description below this video. So we're here on Raydium. We're going to connect our wallet, obviously. All right, we're connecting our wallet, Phantom wallet connected, and we're going to select our token. To select our token, let's go to Phantom, open up our wallet, and then we're going to click on our token right here. And then I'm going to go click these three dots and click on View on SolScan. It shows me the contract address right here. So I can click this and copy. And then I'm going to go over here back to Raydium and click on Base Token, and I'm going to paste. Now it asks us to put a symbol of this token. We're going to do BDC for Baby Dino Coin. Same thing. Make sure you're doing this all exactly how you created your token before. Input a name, Baby Dino Coin. All right. And then we're going to click on Add User Token. Now you can see right here we have 50 million Baby Dino Coin in our wallet. It has detected our token and we are good to move to the next step. So I'm going to tap that, click on that for our first base token right here. And then we're going to add a quote token. So the quote token is the token that you're pairing your token with. So if I want people to buy and sell my token with Solana, I'm going to use Solana as my quote token. If I want it to be USDT, US dollars, I will do that. So I'm going to go over here and click on Solana. Now we have to add our minimum order size and our minimum price tick size. So to do that, I'm going to go over here to this one page and explain that really quickly. To put this into simple terms, if you have a large token supply in the billions or hundreds of millions or trillions, you want to have a higher minimum order size, meaning that they can't just buy one of those tokens, because if you're just buying one token out of a trillion supply, it's not going to do anything. You want to set a minimum purchase amount for that token. And if you have a smaller supply, you want to have the minimum order size obviously smaller. You know, if the supply is only 100, you want to be able to buy a fraction of that, just like how you can buy 0.001 Bitcoin. This, for example, this token is 0.00003252. So if somebody was to buy $1 of this and you had the price tick only at 0.01, the price isn't going to change. So because I have somewhat of a smaller supply, 50 million isn't a lot in the grand scheme of things compared to this token, for example, at 69.42 billion. We're going to do a smaller tick size. So I'm going to go over here and copy 10, paste 10 right there. And then I'm going to go over here to the right-hand side, copy this and paste it underneath the minimum price tick size. And then once we do that, we're going to click Create Market. What we're doing is we're creating an open market for our token. So once we do this, make sure you have everything set how you want to have it set, because it's going to cost you a little bit of Solana. Right here, it costs 2.8 Solana to do this. So it's a one-time payment, so you don't have to worry about paying that again. But this is just to create the market for your token so you can then add liquidity. So I'm going to go over here and click on Confirm. And the first transaction is going to confirm, and the second transaction is also going to confirm. Once you've created your market, you will have your market ID right here. So I'm going to copy that. You want to save that. That's super, super important. Don't lose that market ID. I'm going to put that in a different tab. Now, once we do that, we're going to go to this one page right here, Liquidity, and we're going to click on Liquidity, and we're going to scroll down to Create Pool. Next thing we're going to do is paste our open book market ID in this box down below and click Confirm. All right, now we're going to create a price for our token. This is also really important. This is where we add liquidity to our token. Once we're done with this, we're done, and your token is able to be traded. We have 50 million supply. We can add all of it if you want. You can add less if you want. So right now, if I was to add the whole max supply and then 2 Solana, which is about $160, you could buy half the supply for 1 Solana. So mess around with your price point here. If you want it to be more expensive, don't do the entire supply unless you have a lot of Solana to tie up to it. We're going to do 20% of our supply in 1 Solana. And if you want to choose a start time when your pool is live, you can also do that. I'm just going to make it live immediately. So right now, 10 million Baby Dino Coin equals 1 Solana. Once I have that set, I'm going to click on Initialize Liquidity Pool. And you can see right here, there's one last charge of 0.68 Solana. And then you're good to go and your liquidity is set and your token is done and ready to be traded. So you can see right here, we're adding our 1 Solana plus the fee. We're giving them 10 million tokens out of our 50 million supply. And this right here is our liquidity pool. So I'm going to click on Confirm. And then once this transaction is complete, once it's created, you're all set, you're done, you've created your token, you added a liquidity pool. Now anybody can go ahead and buy and sell your token. Now, if we want to buy our token, all we have to do is go down here to swap. I'll have that as another link in the description. We want to buy with Solana, and then we're going to go down here and paste our contract of our token. If you don't know what your token is, you can just go to Phantom once again, click your token, 3 dots, view on SolScan, and then you have your token address right here. So I have my token address copied. I'm going to copy that, go to swap, and I'm just going to do this again really quickly. paste your token address right here, and you can see BDC, Baby Dino Coin, is right there. We have 40 million. I understand, confirm. And then now I can go ahead and buy and sell. So if I want to buy 0.1 Solana worth. Now, one thing to keep in mind is after you create your liquidity pool, it usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes before you can buy and sell your tokens. All right, so it's been about 3 to 5 minutes. I can now trade Solana for Baby Dino Coin. So you can see right here, if I put in 0.1 Solana, I'll be getting 464,000 Baby Dino Coin. Let's swap that. Swap anyway. Price impact is going to be high because it's a brand new coin. So anybody buying it right now is getting the very best price. And the price impact means it's going to change the price 6%. So me buying 0.1 Solana of this token is going to increase the price of the token about 6% or so. So I'm going to buy 0.1 and click on confirm. And there we go. My balance is updated right here. I have 40,462,000 and I'm ready to go. Now, if we want to look at the chart of our token go up 6%, we can go over to Bird Eye. I'll have this as a link in the description as well. And we can paste our token right here. So I paste my token address, or I could just type in BDC. So that sums up your Solana token creation guide. I really hope this helped. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'd be happy to answer them. This is honestly the easiest way to create a Solana token in my opinion. I don't really think there's any better method. So if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in the next one. Hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.